Hi, it's Caroline. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to start this cider kit, which makes 40 pints. And as it's a new kit, it means it's competition time. So when it's ready, you can win a gallon of this cider, which is 8 pints in new money. And to be in with a chance of winning, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and leave a comment below starting with, I'm a cider drinker. Although what I really want to do is, I'm a cider drinker. So not sure if you saw in the last video, but I was gifted this kit. I've not used it before, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I need my trusted assistant. I'm not strong enough. I loosened it. You loosened it. I loosened it. So, I'm expecting to find in here some instructions, which I have, and some yeast. Oh, some yeast. And another packet, cider yeast and a nutrient. So 2 sachets there. So let's get started. I opened the can and poured the contents into the fermentation bucket. I rinsed out the can using some of my 3 pints of boiling water and then added the rest to the bucket, along with a kilogram of brewing sugar. I stirred the mixture until the sugar had dissolved. It smelt delicious, like lovely juicy ripe apples. I then topped up the bucket with cold water to 23 litres. I checked the temperature a couple of times to make sure it wasn't lower than 18 or higher than 25 degrees. Otherwise, the yeast won't activate. The final temperature was about 23. I added the yeast and gave it a stir and did the same with the yeast nutrient. Then on went the lid and the airlock. So that was a really easy cider to start. So we're going to move this to the heat pad. So the temperature will stay between 20 and 24 degrees for the next 4 to 8 days. Obviously, we want to see it, the fermentation process take place. Once the airlock stops bubbling, I'll leave it for a couple of days and we'll see you on the next video. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. To win a gallon of this cider when it's ready, please leave a comment below starting with, I'm a cider drinker. Cheers!